It's easy to not think about animal shelters. But it's shelters like this one in Burlington, North Carolina, that keep animals off the streets and into homes.
Animals come to us basically 4 ways. Stray, owner surrender, bite cases, and court cases like cruelty, neglect. It's primarily dogs and cats, but we also take in other animals like small animals like your rabbits, gerbils, hamsters, guinea pigs.
But the real work for the shelter begins after they take the animals in.
Animal care specialists, they come in first thing in the morning and they start moving the animals around and start cleaning their kennels, washing dishes, doing laundry, cleaning both the shelter and adoption center facility. 3 days a week we're doing surgery, so we're transferring animals up here to do the spay and neuter surgery. The vet has to do exams a couple times a week. We have to put them down sometimes. Not everything that comes through here is in perfect health. Maybe it's never, had any vaccinations. Maybe it's sick if it's been out stray for a while. Perhaps it has picked up a lot of nasty germs and disease. We're not a veterinary facility here. We can do a simple antibiotic. We can do, intestinal parasites, skin mites, and things like that. But anything much more elaborate, we can't really treat.
Fortunately, there's a silver lining. The shelter's spaying and neutering program has reduced intake by more than 15%, meaning less euthanizations and more adoptions.
That's the big picture there, is to reduce the euthanasia. So it's working. The adoption process is really simple. It takes about 15 minutes. You're getting a reasonably healthy animal, and you are doing your part to help with the overpopulation problem.